In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your WordPress website to Cloudflare. This process is pretty straightforward, but requires a few important steps that we will go through together. By doing this, you'll boost your site's performance and security using Cloudflare's content delivery network and security features. To begin, head over to your WordPress.com account and log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, locate the Sites section where all your websites will be listed. This is your control room where you manage the various elements of your WordPress sites. Next, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with several options. Please click on the Plugins section. Plugins are essential tools to add specific features and functionalities to your website without needing to code them yourself. Adding Cloudflare is simply a matter of adding the right plugin. Once you're in the Plugins section, use the search bar to type in Cloudflare. This will search for all the related plugins available for Cloudflare. Don't worry if you see several different options, you're going to look for the official Cloudflare plugin. This plugin is specifically designed to integrate your WordPress site with Cloudflare services smoothly. After typing in Cloudflare, press Enter and a list of plugins will appear. Next, you're going to click on Discover. This action will navigate you to the page where you can explore the Cloudflare plugins details. Now, look through the list and locate the official Cloudflare plugin. Typically, this plugin stands out due to its distinctive logo and description about improving site speed and security. Once you find it, click on it to delve into more details. On the Cloudflare plugin page, you'll find several options and a description of what this tool can do for your website. You'll want to proceed by clicking the Get Started button. This process initiates the setup between WordPress and Cloudflare. Through this integration, Cloudflare will begin protecting and accelerating your WordPress site almost instantly. By following these steps, you're greatly enhancing your site's capabilities. Not only does this mean faster loading times due to Cloudflare's effective caching and content delivery network, but it also means increased protection from potential security threats. Adding Cloudflare to your WordPress website is an excellent way to ensure your site runs smoothly, providing a better experience for your visitors and improving your site's performance in search engines. Congratulations on taking a step toward better site optimization and security.